Well, 12 noon on a Sunday. I'm really not working. I'm just out here in the garage foo-fooing around. The 441 has made it onto the lift. Just put it up a few minutes ago. Going over the wish list on the work order. I'll show you what we're going to do. In the meantime, the yellow bike speedometer should be in transit, so we're looking forward to getting that. The silver bike is complete and can be picked up. The Beezer is complete and can be picked up, probably going to happen in the next day or two. Yellow bike is still waiting on the seat, but I did get a confirmation from the vendor saying that it is in transit, so that's good news. If I get this 441, I was going to say if I get it started, get it completed, I'll put the green bike back up here and see if I can get it started. But frankly, I think this is going to take a few days. So I don't plan on that as a plan. Anyway, over here are some parts for the 441, a new high-low horn, a decompression lever. I'm going to make the cable, the new electronic ignition system, and the new single-phase solid-state charging system, and a couple of Zeus fasteners for the side cover. We're going to price a battery. Actually, I'm going to go buy it. He said buy a battery, so I'm going to buy a battery, get it running, installing the new ignition system. We're going to price a new carb, but first of all, I'm going to take this carb apart and see what it looks like inside before we go spend the money on a new one. Okay, and I'm going to do a lift wash job on the lift wash job, which is basically I spray the heck out of it with S100. Then I take a spray bottle of clear water and spray it off. And that gets it like 90% clean. So I can, find bits and pieces like the engine without having to move away accumulated dust. That's just being a little snarky there. I'm sorry. I'll take that back. That was nasty. So anyway, I'm going to clean it up a bit and start taking it apart a little bit just for the heck of it. I'm going to install, fix up this wiring. Install a new power wire with a fuse in it. So a fuse is always a good thing to have. We'll do that. Clean up this wire. It shouldn't be like this. And these wires, we'll try to clean them up and hang them properly. And I'll take the seat off and the tank off today just to get in the actual working on the bike mode. So it's a complete bike. Got the side cover. And all in all, it's looking like it's all there. It should be a runner pretty good. This is interesting. I wonder if that's original. Isn't that a heck of a horn? So we'll do a little cleanup today, pull the points out, take the tank off, take the seat off, put it up on the lift. Put all that stuff up on the shelf. And anything else that strikes my fancy, mainly because I'm bored. All right, let's see. What time is it? How long did it take me to clean that engine? It's 1:45. I don't remember when I started. I'll double check the previous video. But anyway, spray on S100, rinse it off with cold water. Cold engine, S100, move it around with a brush. I used S100, a paintbrush, and then I rinsed it off with cold water. So this is what it looks like after, 15-20 minutes of on the bench. There's the dirt down below. And this thing looks downright good compared, and this is something that I'm comfortable working on. So I like S100. I like it a lot. I do not sell it. I do not rep it. I don't have anything to do with them other than the fact I buy a lot of it. Okay, so that's where we are. Just for the heck of it, show you some prettier aspects of Arizona. Things are in bloom. It rained recently, and Arizona grows where water flows. So these are some wildflowers over there, which are pretty enough. But then when you come over here, here's some cactus. Look at the blooms on this cactus. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Look at the bees, they're having such a good time. But aren't those pretty flowers? So, if you didn't know that cactus have flowers, and these will turn into fruit after they flower. Just thought I'd show you that. Arizona has many faces. Here's a little bit of a video about showing another cactus. Look up at the top, all those are blooms. They are going to open up into flowers, and then they will turn into fruit. It will be gorgeous in another day or so. Every one of those is going to be a flower.